I put in 2 cars. They're both GLCs, both white. One's a 24 though, and one's a 25. And I was like, well, the 24 is going to be a better deal. Obviously.
The white on red?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, good. That you just asked me about. I sent out an email asking who was working on that car.
Well, I'm with clients. I'm not looking at emails. So.
I know. You know what? Hey.
What are you yelling at me for?
I'm not yelling at you, coming in here with a whole bunch of attitude.
No, are you saying you traded it?
No.
Oh, okay. Then I don't.
I'm saying I just emailed out to everybody asking who was working on it because it's our last 2024 and it's a great deal, and I don't want to trade it because I know we've got somebody that's going to buy it, and hopefully it'll be these people that are here in the showroom.
Hopefully. I thought you were telling me you were trading it. I'm like, well, how am I supposed to? I'm not looking at emails while I'm working with people. Like,
Are they looking to finance?
no, they're looking to cash out.
All right, and they have a trade?
Yeah, the trade is 31,225.
A Honda CR-V. Very nice. What's the occasion?
Well, the occasion as to why they're.
Why, yeah,
Why
going
they're
from the
switching
CR-V to a.
They want something nicer.
GLC.
They said they want something nicer, just drives better, more luxury. They're retired.
The internet's not going to agree.
Their CR-V is pretty nice though. Got heads-up display in that. I was like, he asked me about heads-up display, and I'm like, of course, it's the Honda CR-V. In immaculate condition. Ryan even looked at it. He's like, wow, these people really just barely drive 14,000 miles.
Do they qualify for any incentives?
Nope. Doesn't have Sam's
Nothing?
Club, doesn't have Amex, doesn't have a business. They're retired.
What?
I know.
Lame.
I know. It's like a $2,000 difference between the 24 and the 25 as far as discount goes. Somebody told me that.
Well, probably there's a $2,500 incentive.
2,500. There we go.
And on top of that,
The dealer discount.
well, that part is pretty much comparable from 24 to 25, but you've got a $2,500 difference there, and the car itself is a few $1,000s less expensive, if I remember correctly.
The white with red is 59. The white with brown is a little bit less.
Oh, this is a white brown. Okay, got it. Okay, so this is a non-AMG line car, or is
They're
the
both
25?
AMG line
They are,
cars.
okay.
I need to close these people.
You will close these people. Come on, get jacked.
I know she likes the brown more
Oh, does
than
she?
the red. Yeah, it's the husband's car, but she just kept saying it over and over again. Like, I like this. So they might just go with the brown, even if the deal is better. But we'll see. Should I tell them that we have someone asking for a dealer trade? Because I just don't want to push them off. Turn them off.
Let them make the decision on their own.
Yeah.
We definitely don't want to be car salesy, right?
Nope.
We can just let them know. Obviously, the 24, is more incentivized, but 25 is a year newer, so there is value there.
Yeah, they already know that.
Yeah.
I went over all that.
I want whatever makes them happiest.
How is the tax trade-in the same?
What do you mean?
Tax savings? Why are they the same?
Well, because the trade value didn't change, right? The tax savings is calculated on the value of their trade.
It's not calculated on the total amount? Like, so you
Well, look,
only get
the
taxed
tax-
off the remainder.
No, you do. The tax amount is different. See how the tax amount is different? But that line item down there of tax savings is calculated off the trade value.
Okay.
So the amount of tax you end up paying is different by, if you look at the very bottom, second to last line.
I see.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. That makes sense. All right.
All right.
Thanks. See you.
Get it? Come on.